Here I am going to talk about addition rule and multiplication rule. Suppose A and B are two events. A or B means A occurs, B occurs, or both A and B occur. So this Venn diagram shows A or B, basically everything in A and B. So A and B means both A and B occur. So this Venn diagram here shows A and B, basically the common between this region is A and B. So let's look at this example here. Suppose we roll a six-sided die. Events A and B are such that A, an even number, shows up and B, a number greater than 4, shows up. Now we have to find what are the outcomes in A. So the outcomes in A are 2, 4, and 6. So again, let's find outcomes in B. So the outcomes in B are 5 and 6. Now let's find the outcomes in A and B. So the outcomes in A and B is 6. So here, let's find probability of A and B. So the number of elements in A and B is 1. And the total number of possible outcomes is 6. So we get 1 over 6. So the probability of A and B is 1 over 6. Now let's try to find the outcomes in A or B. So the outcomes in A or B is 2, 4, 5, and 6. This. Now let's find probability of A or B. So the number of elements in A or B are 4. And the total number of possible outcomes is 6. So that's why we have 4 over 6, which is also equals to 2 over 3. Now let's look at this example, AND versus OR, with false positives and false negatives. So let's look at this table. Given in the below are results from COVID-19 test in a town. So let's take a moment and try to fill this up. So this one, 251 plus 21. Over here it would be 272. And 46 plus 391 would be 437. So if we add 272 and 437, it would be 709. Now let's look over here. So let's add 21 plus 391, that will be 412. So again over here, let's add these two numbers. So 251 plus 46 is 297. Now reading out the table, let's try to answer few questions. So here we have to find how many subjects have COVID-19 and tested positive. So for us to answer this question, we have to look at this table here. So we need to find out how many subjects have COVID-19 and tested positive. So it would be 251. Then we need to find the probability of selecting someone who has COVID-19 and tested positive. So to find this probability, we can look at the table and find out how many subjects have COVID-19 and tested positive. So, which is this one, which is also this one, which is right here also. So that means the probability will be 251 over 709, which is approximately equals to 0.3540. So now let's find how many subjects have COVID-19 or tested positive. So to answer this question, we have to look at the table. So those were 251, 21, and 46. So when we add those numbers up, we get, there were 318 subjects that have COVID-19 or tested positive. So now let's find the probability of selecting someone who has COVID-19 or tested positive. So to find the probability of selecting someone who had COVID-19 or tested positive, let's look at the table up here. So in this case, it's actually this number. The probability would be 318 over 709, which is approximately equal to 0.4485.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. We will be bringing more and more videos on variety of topics.